Multi-bridge exploitation steals $4.4 million from crypto firm. An estimated $4.4 million was stolen from Meter, a blockchain infrastructure firm that offers multi-chain bridging and enables users to exchange different cryptocurrencies across Ethereum and other public chains. The Moonriver network was also hacked. MTR is a crypto-native, metastable money that is pre-installed in the highly decentralized DeFi ecosystem. Meter's blockchain ledger is managed by MTRG, a Meter governance token, and HotStuff-based PoS consensus. As a sidechain for Ethereum and other public chains, Meter claims to be extremely decentralized and high performance. The Wormhole network, a token bridge between the Ethereum and Solana blockchains, was attacked for 120,000 ETH tokens, $321 million, and Qubit Finance, which operates on the Binance Smart Chain, was hacked for around $80 million. Meter.io's attack resulted in a loss of $4.3 million in total, with ETH worth $4.2 million and WBTC valued $83,000. Tornado Cash has been used by the attacker to launder a large portion of their proceeds, blockchain security company CertiK says. There are no other tokens or reserves affected by the attack. The company is cooperating with law enforcement to identify and apprehend any suspects. Meter's representative could not be reached for comment at this time. Earlier this year, a hacker known as Mr. White Hat stole more than $600 million in cryptocurrencies from the Poly network protocol before gradually returning the assets. The increasing number of bridge assaults has raised concerns about the basic security of current multi-chain bridge infrastructure. And in many cases the size of bridge exploits may be far more pronounced, since bridges are routinely used to escrow funds for numerous chains, according to a CertiK spokesperson. The assault targeted a bridge function that automatically wraps and unwraps ETH or BSC gas tokens, according to the CertiK incident response team. The attacker placed malicious code into a bridge deposit method to exploit the Meter protocol's lack to restrict direct contact with these gas tokens, according to preliminary research. Additionally, Meter's code did not verify that the caller's address had sent the right quantity of WETH. Information Security Media Group met with a CertiK official. After learning of the event, the business said it immediately halted all bridge transactions and launched an inquiry. During our investigation, we discovered that a flaw had been introduced into the Meter team's automated wrap and wrap of coins like BNB and ETH. Due to a mistake in the expanded code's trust assumption, an attacker was able to use the ERC20 deposit function and pretend to send BNB or ETH. Only the Meter and Moonriver networks were affected, and only native gas tokens, WETH and BNB, were involved. The corporation sent out a tweet. Holders and LP providers of Ethereum, and Binance Coin, BNB, will get a compensation scheme in the form of snapshots, according to the company. If you want to trade Ethereum for something like Sol, which is the native cryptocurrency of chain competitor Solana and has gained popularity in the DeFi market, you'll need to use an ERC20 token known as WETH, which is an Ethereum requests for comments 20 token, or ERC-20.